jumped off the wagon. So this is the entrance to Chocolate World, which is right next to Hershey Park, which isn't open right now. And it looks like they're adding a few rides, but the store is open all year, and there are everything related to Hershey you could ever want is probably in there. And so let's go on in, and we will go on the tour, learn a little bit about how chocolate's made, and then I'll do some shopping. Come on in. So if you want anything Hershey's chocolate related, this would be the place.
The Hershey goodness starts right here with pure fresh milk. Sing it, girls! Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
So just before you get off, when you get off the ride, just before you get in the store, you get chocolate, just so you got it in your taste. Now, if you're a chocoholic like I am, if you come anywhere near Hershey, it's worth stopping into the store here. The the peanut butter cups, you buy the little packages of peanut butter cups. They're like Wally World for $1.25, whatever. Here, you can get 36 of them for like 26 bucks. Or you can buy 2 packs for 36 bucks. I happen to get York peppermint patties, also 36 count. So for $36, I got these things for 50 cents a piece. And if I can figure out how to hide them from myself, they'll last a while. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I did. And a little history. Back in '94, brought the family here day before Easter. This happens to be Wednesday before Easter, so it's sort of similar. And we went through, and in one of the aisles, my daughter tried to pull a scam with by saying that really loudly that the we're going to have an Easter at our house because some hunters accidentally shot the Easter bunny. Our son popped in with the, that was a replacement for the one Dad accidentally ran over last year. We got back in the car, got the kids in, turned, looked at them, and said, how'd that go? And they said, didn't work. Nobody felt sorry for us and bought us any candy. So, anyway, a little nostalgia. I am going to get on the road and see what I can find. See you later, YouTube. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you'd like to help support me, I do have a Patreon account. It's down below. Little as $1 a month, and you can help me with admission prices at different places, or like this one, help feed my chocolate addiction. So if you've already become one of my Patreons, thank you, and if you're thinking about it, also thank you. Bye.